Matthew T. Thomas, LDF candidate from the Kottayam Lok Sabha constituency. I'm contesting to the Lok Sabha for the first time. Earlier I have contested and been member of the Kerala Legislative Assembly thrice and have already served as Minister for Transport for 3 years. The prospects of this constituency are very high. This is an agriculture-based constituency. We have to look for agriculture-based productions. Now the problem is that the fall of price in rubber has brought down considerably the income-fetching power of the common man. But we have to think of bringing an agriculture-based production in this area, which will bring in more employment also. The Kottayam constituency is already known for its high standard of education, literacy as well as for high standard of education. We have to go in for what we call a new generation education prospects, because the conventional courses are not of much demand now. So job-oriented education should be given priority, which will be taken care of. A member of the parliament has his own limitations, I know, but with the support of the central government as well as other agencies, we have to initiate certain projects to be undertaken in this constituency. See, these are not subjects dealt with the central government. Once you are a member of the parliament, what you have to bring in is that you have to try to bring in maximum projects from the central government. Electricity is taken care of by the state government, and major roads also are taken care of by the state government. Only the national highways are looked after by the central government. However, as member of, once I get elected as a representative, I'll try to bring in all agencies and all government programs together to bring in a comprehensive program to bring in, to provide electricity for all and to have better infrastructure in the road sector also. See, in Kerala, we already have a high standard of women empowerment with this Kudumbasri organizations as well as Ailkutams. Kerala is a role model for all the states in India, and already we are in the way, but we have to bring in women reservation in the legislative bodies, for which we are also committed. The Left Democratic Front is committed to bring in reservation for women in the parliament as well as in the state assemblies. See, this is not a capsule program. Once we get elected, we have to think of the prospects of the constituency. One thing we have to give immediate concern is the modernization of the railway. Kottayam may be the only constituency where we don't have a two-lane traffic for the railways. The railway station has to be improved, and many other things have to be taken up. That will be taken up by stage by stage. The Kerala people, all over Kerala, people know me as a transport minister, as a state president of a political party, and as a member of the Left Democratic Front. It's very strange to hear that people do not know me.